Today I'm making the easiest Valentine's Day brownies. They're rich, fudgy, and packed with festive M&Ms. And the best part, you only need one bowl, so no crazy cleanup. Let's get started. First up, let's mix the dry ingredients. I'm using a fine mesh strainer to sift together all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt. Give the strainer a few quick shakes to remove any lumps. Now I'm adding in both sugars, granulated and brown sugar. Give it a quick whisk until everything is evenly combined. Time to add the wet ingredients. Pour in melted butter. Make sure it's slightly cooled so we don't cook the eggs. Speaking of eggs, add in 2, along with a splash of vanilla extract. Using a silicone spatula, gently mix and fold it all together until just combined. No over mixing here. We want fudgy, chewy brownies, not dense, tough ones. And now for the best part, M&Ms. Gently fold in Valentine's M&Ms and sprinkles. Feel free to fold in mini chocolate chips, crushed peppermints, or chopped nuts for extra flavor and texture. Pour the brownie batter into a prepared 8 by 8 inch metal baking pan and spread it out evenly. I always like to top it off with extra M&Ms and sprinkles for a festive touch. Bake at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out with just a few moist crumbs. Let the brownies cool completely in the pan before cutting. This helps them set and makes slicing a breeze. And there you have it, easy Valentine's Day brownies, fudgy, chocolatey, and loaded with festive M&Ms. They're perfect for a cozy night in or sharing with someone special. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. The full recipe is always linked in the description box below. And of course, hit that subscribe button for more easy and delicious sweets. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.